good, right? Second?
Yes.
See, why is this car keep moving? And he's rolling. Dude, sir. A new driver.
You want to shift to third?
Did I get it?
One more notch.
I can't.
Your clutch pedal's not all the way in.
Oh, got it.
Bam. You got it.
I'm ready for the freeway.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, well, you said you don't have to.
Once you're on, you don't shift.
Oh, shit.
Say hi.
Hi, I'm a professional driver of stick shifts. That sounds dirty, but it's not.